Am I not moving fast enough for you, Bree? Okay, ready? It's Minnie and Daisy. Best Friends Forever songs. Who's that? Is that Minnie Mouse? And Daisy? Minnie and Daisy and the birds and flowers. Yeah. Ooh. Daisy and Minnie. Daisy and Minnie. All right, your sister is standing here first. Relax yourself. And the doggy, woof woof. Right? Ooh, Daisy. And there's Minnie again. And the cat? What's the cat say? Meow. Meow. Yeah. And Toodles. Ooh. Minnie. And the horsey. Nay. Is that what a horsey says? And Daisy. And the sheep. What do they say? Bah. Bah. And the bunny rabbit. What's it? Bunny rabbit. And the butterflies like in Nana's backyard. Yay! Hooray! The end! Yeah, the end. It's over. I read it. This is the 8th time this morning. It's the 8th time this morning I read it. All right. Okay, one more time. Ready? Minnie and Daisy, best friends forever. Okay? Okay. Do I have to explain everybody again, or do we know by now? We just look at pictures this time? Ooh. You gonna dance? Yeah, you like that song? Okay, all done. Hooray! Clap hands. Okay, say goodbye.